Well, for many of us, the first days of spring mean a few days of spring cleaning, dusting, scrubbing, and maybe cleaning out closets and storage rooms.
If you'd rather your spring cleaning does not require you to break a sweat, our consumer technology reporter Jamie Tucker says don't forget the place you spend most of your time, your digital home or smartphone.
Every spring, my job is to clean out this storage room. And over the year, it gets cluttered with things that we don't need, just like our smartphone. So before I tackle this storage space, I want to tackle the one on my phone. Go to Settings and Storage. Review those large attachments using over a gigabyte of space. These are mostly videos and photos and text messages. You may be able to review them, but not all of them. So open the Messages app and delete the text you no longer need. Pay close attention to messages with attachments. Back in Settings and Storage, see which apps are taking the most space. On an Android phone, it's in Device Management. Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram probably use a lot of your storage for no reason. The easiest way to free up that space is by deleting the app. I deleted the TikTok app and it's 613 megabytes of data. Reinstalled the app and signed back in. Now I have more space on the phone and TikTok still works the same. Just like you do with clothes you haven't worn in over a year, get rid of apps you don't use. On an iPhone, swipe to the end of the home screen and tap App Library. On an Android device, it's Settings and App Storage. Free apps are constantly tracking your activity, so if you don't use them, delete them. But don't forget, before you do anything, back up your device and restore it from that backup. Otherwise, you might lose something that you need. I covered a lot here, and I have step-by-step directions on all of these tips on my blog, whatthetech.tv. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.
And if you missed those, you can find them on our website as well, local3news.com.